Starting a new business is an exciting journey, but one of the biggest challenges is ensuring that there's a demand for your product or service. Many entrepreneurs face the pain of investing time and money into a business idea, only to find out that there's no market for it. This can be discouraging and costly. The solution to this problem is conducting effective market research. In this video, you will learn how to conduct effective market research for your business idea. Understanding your target market. This means identifying the specific group of people who are most likely to buy your product or service. Knowing who your potential customers are helps tailor your marketing efforts and product development. Look at the demographics like age, gender, income level, and education. Create a product that truly meets the needs of your market. Conducting primary research. This is crucial because it gives you first-hand insights into their needs, preferences, and behaviors. You can conduct primary research through methods like surveys, interviews, and focus groups. For instance, you might survey potential customers to understand their buying habits or conduct interviews to get in-depth feedback on your product idea. This step helps ensure your business idea is aligned with what your target market wants. Leveraging secondary research. This can include industry reports, market statistics, and academic studies. Secondary research is valuable because it provides a broader view of the market landscape and helps validate your findings from primary research. By combining both types of research, you can gain a comprehensive understanding of the market. Competitive analysis. Conduct a competitive analysis to identify your competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Look at their products, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews. This analysis can reveal gaps in the market that your business can fill and help you differentiate your product from those already available. SWOT analysis. Strengths and weaknesses are internal factors, such as your team's skills or your product's unique features. Opportunities and threats are external factors, like market trends or economic conditions. Market segmentation. Market segmentation involves dividing your broader target market into smaller, more specific groups based on shared characteristics. This could be based on demographics, psychographics, or behavior. By segmenting your market, you can create more targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with each specific group, leading to higher engagement and better conversion rates. Utilizing surveys and questionnaires. Surveys and questionnaires are powerful tools for gathering quantitative data from a large audience. They allow you to collect specific information about your target market's preferences, needs, and behaviors. Designing effective surveys involves asking clear, concise questions and offering multiple choice answers that provide actionable insights. Engaging with focus groups. This qualitative research method provides deep insights into customer opinions and emotions. By observing group interactions and listening to feedback, you can uncover hidden issues and gather ideas for improvement. Analyzing and applying the data. Look for patterns and trends that indicate market demand and customer preferences. Use this information to make informed decisions about product development, pricing, marketing, and sales strategies.